Kangakuningi ungenzeka uyiphuphe le mali emhlophe uyithola kanti uthola ukuthi ilesikhathi bethebula khona isimo senhlanhla uma uyithatha wena kuyithatheka ilona you know ukuthi umuntu physical angakunika imali kodwa le mali le umekunika uthola ukuthi uthenga isimo sebunhlanhla bakho yabona so nalapha ephupheni kungenzeka yena ingaka uthola ukuthi egcineni impilo yakhe ayiphambili
Kwinto okwazi ukubona namhlanje ekseni ngiyakwamukela ohlelweni.
No ngiyabonga kakhulu kwamukelela.
Ngicela ke silalele pastor weningi ama voice notes. I mean baningi ababukeli bethu be morning show abasithumele ama voice notes bathi bacela upastor abasize mhlambe ngokuphendula izintonyana ezithize esebaphuphe ngazo. Ake silalele eyokuqala.
Morning guys. Our dreams, like lately, I'm having dreams. Some people are giving me coins. Yeah, so I just don't like. I've even tried to play lotto or anything like that, but I don't get like. I've never won it. So I don't know like what could be the reason for me to like keep on dreaming this each and every time like. So yeah, can I please like thank you guys.
Nangu ubhudilana pastor uthi uphupha edoba amacoin imali le ecwebezelayo. Ngabe kuchaza ukuthini lokho?
Yeah, leyo yachaza ngakhona uthi uphupha owadoba lobuhlweza ne. Kodwa still impilo akayiboni inhlanhla ne. Akaboni ukuqhubekela phambili.
Yeah.
Vele ukuphupha uthola imali.
Yeah.
Ewuhlweza kodwa emhlophe imali engamacoin emhlophe yebo ikona okusho inhlanhla
okay
kodwa uma kungenzeka phuphe futhi ethola uhlwezo lolungama senti u50 cent u20 cent yabo 10 cent nozuka lokho akusinhlanhla yibona ibhadi lelo nokusho ukuthi inhlanhla yakhe ayimile kahle mhlawumbe ngenzeka uthola ukuthi akumile kahle nje ngenxa yomsamo wakubo mhlawumbe noma kumile kahle ngenxa yabantu abammise kabi abamthakathayo abathatha inhlanhla yakhe yibona so kungenzeka yena mhlawumbe uyayaphupha ethola lo 50 cent bebaningi bese nje time mhlawumbe expect izinto ezinhle empilweni kanti akuzuba kuhle yibona remember ukuthi ukuganga kuningi ungenzeka uyiphuphe le mali emhlophe uyithola kanti uthola ukuthi ilesikhathi bethebula khona isimo senhlanhla uma uyithatha wena kuyithatheka ilona you know ukuthi umuntu physical angakunika imali kodwa le mali le umekunika uthola ukuthi uthenga isimo sebunhlanhla bakho yabona so nalapha ephupheni kungenzeka yena ingaka uthola ukuthi egcineni impilo yakhe ayiphambili kodwa uyayithola le mali ayitshetheni hayi mhlawumbe efuna kube inhlanhla ethile kanti suke bethatha nje isimo sobunhlanhla bakhe kuphela njalo uma bethatha le mali yena kuthathwa isimo sebunhlanhla kuye yabona kungenzeka into ezinjalo yabona fana nokuthi singasho njengokuluma kwesandla ukuluma kwesandla nomali kuyaye kusho omunye uzocala ukuthi hayi ngoba kuluma isandla kusho uzothola imali yabo kanti kuluma isandla hayi ngoba uzothola imali kuluma isandla mhlawumbe ngenxa ukuthi you are spiritually gifted nje yayibona noma kuluma isandla ngenxa ukuthi mhlawumbe unesilwane abantu abatetiswe isiboko esize ngenze kulunyelwe isandla kanti mhlawumbe unale spiritual partner esikuwe esivali inhlanhla yakho wena njalo lulunyelwe isandla ukuthi hayi izothola imali yabo so nala kule mali ingavele into enhle kanti ingenye ilona isho the opposite food yalenhlanhla isasha inhlanhla yabo.
Good morning show. My name is Mercedes Talbot from Colorado Park. My belated passed away in March, and my children are having dreams that I can't actually explain to them. We don't really know the cause of death because we were told it's natural causes, but it was beyond that actually. He comes in a dream where he will tell them that it's someone and that the children even see his coffin outside the house where it happened. So we just want to know if there's maybe any explanation for that. Thank you guys. Love you lots. Keep it up. Keep it locked.
Yeah, no, this one is interesting, Pastor. So obviously, umama la uthi uyamphupha ubaba, ingane ziyamphupha ubaba. Kuney'nsolo zokuthi ubaba akadlulanga kahle emhlabeni, right? He didn't die of natural causes, and they've had some dreams of his coffin outside eJadildini. Ingabe kuchaza ukuthini lokho, Pastor?
Ngokuzwa ivoice note yakhe ummem lo then ichaza ngaliphupho ukuthi ubaba usanda kushona and then sebayaphupha kuthiwe ngokutshelwa kwabo ukuthi i-audit ushone kwemvelo yabo so bona bakholelwa so bafuna ukwazi ukuthi ngabe ngempela kupossible yini ukuthi mhlawumbe kube nesandla ekuhambeni kwakhe yibona base kwi dream abanayo manje ukuthi uyafika naye ngathi uyakhuluma ngizwa ngathi bathi uyakhuluma ukuthi ukuveza ukuthi hayi vela kahambanga kahle yibona okay asiqale la kuthenini uma esefika lo muntu ekhuluma nawe ekulethela imilayezo ethile la kuvela khona ukuthi okay uthini yabo noma uvela ngayiphi indlela le ndlela avela ngayo isingasho ukuthi hayi mhlawumbe kunomlayezo azama ukuveza kinina ngendlela mhlawumbe ahambe ngayo noma njengoba esehambile mhlawumbe izinto ukuthi zihambe ngendlela efanele yini mani menzela lo mcimbi wokumtshalo yibona noma esetshaliwe futhi remember ukuthi kuyenzeka uthola ukuthi umuntu angandlula emhlabeni but uthola mhlawumbe manje senza umcimbi wokumtshala uthola ukuthi izinto azihambi kahle noma masenemtshalile kube nabantu futhi ababa nesandla ukuthi bayoganga ngethuna yabo so ezinto ezingenza ukuthi lo muntu aphinde abuye futhi azoletha imilayezo yabona so in this case umebuye ukuthi angithola ukuthi umebuye ufike athini kube yabona yiloko esingakuthola ukuthi uma kabuye akhuluma naye umama uthini yabo bese singakwazi ukuthatha lapho ukuthi ayisisho ukuthi ngoba athi kusho ukuthi uthi yayibo
okay
kodwa ukubona ibhokisi lingaphandle nako kungasho umlayezo ukuthi hayi kusho ukuthi la kunezinto ezingazange zenziwe kahle yabo ingako libhokisi bezolibona lingaphandle yabo kusho ukuthi kunezinto ezingazange zenziwe kahle futhi kungasho ukuthi uma ubona ibhokisi kusho ukuthi nawo usesigabeni la khona mhlawumbe usukwazi ukwamukela ukuthi lo muntu lo usendlulile yabo
That's where we leave it for this morning. Pastor, thank you so much for joining us.
No, siyabonga kakhulu.